The Cybertruck hate in Canada has already started. Someone knifed 2 tires of a brand new Cybertruck in Montreal. Owner had the truck for just 2 days. The owner will have to sadly replace both the front and rear tires. Fortunately, it was caught on sentry mode, and he put his face right in front of the camera. Do these people not realize that all Teslas have cameras and a sentry mode that starts recording automatically? This is common knowledge, especially as Tesla vehicles continue to gain popularity. It likely means you live in an echo chamber if you're unaware. Jealousy and despair at its best. If he had chosen to utilize his energy positively, he would have been able to afford a Cybertruck. The owner has reported the incident to the police and it's being investigated.